2 models cut off. That, plus the 5 stories every developer needs today. This is ViralVault, your AI and tech briefing for Sunday, June 14. Anthropic model access hits a wall, developers ship offline tools, and a PeopleSoft zero-day turns urgent. Number 1. China access fears reshape the Anthropic Mythos dispute. A new report says the White House's decision to impose export restrictions on Anthropic's Mythos was driven in part by fears that it had been accessed by a group linked to China. TechMeme, citing Axios, says senior Anthropic technical staff are in Washington to meet White House officials and try to fix the Mythos 5 dispute, with both sides saying they are eager to resolve it. Why it matters. If your product depends on frontier model APIs, access can change overnight when model provenance, security findings, or export controls enter the picture. Number 2. PeopleSoft zero-day steals gigabytes from hundreds of organizations. Ars Technica reports a PeopleSoft zero-day is affecting hundreds of organizations and stealing gigabytes of data. The title frames it as an active breach, making it one of the clearest must-react stories for operators and developers today. Why it matters. If your stack touches PeopleSoft, its integrations, or internal workflows that depend on it, this is the kind of zero-day that moves from vendor news to incident response. Number 3. Kage packages any website into one offline binary. Show HN Project Kage turns any website into a single binary for offline viewing. It drew 336 upvotes and 75 comments on Hacker News, strong traction for a small developer tool. Why it matters. Developers who ship docs, internal demos, or product pages can use this pattern to make a site distributable as one file instead of a folder full of assets. Number 4. Local ML indexes 669 GB of GoPro video on a Mac. A Hacker News post says the author indexed 669 GB of GoPro videos on an M1 Max using local ML models. It pulled 239 upvotes and 52 comments, making local media search one of the day's practical AI builds. Why it matters. If you build media tools, this points to a local first retrieval workflow that avoids sending large video libraries to a cloud service. Number 5. Zeroserve claims Caddy compatibility with faster response times. A Zeroserve post says Caddy compatibility delivered 3x throughput and 70% lower latency. The Hacker News thread drew 147 upvotes and 43 comments, giving the benchmark claim real developer attention. Why it matters. If your service depends on reverse proxy behavior, compatibility claims can make migration tests much cheaper than a full rewrite. That's the vault for today. Follow for the next briefing, morning and night, and the full stories are linked below.